What? Well, it's not a plan. Here we go on. Franchise is choosing one with 10-star general. You know when time I come to represent, you know a full effect thing, don't it? You know it already. When we load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You know a loud explosion about you. What is the man? You know a Gaza favorite. Watch on man. You know the people's champion. Don't. You know the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Here we go on, man. First and foremost, you know. Let me make sure, you know. I know, because me already make you know, you know. Say, me a Gaza revolutionist with my mouth on YouTube. So I see a local conchair shit a go on and I go straighten it out once and for all. And when time I done straighten it out, I don't want to hear no more argument about it. You know what I say? Our man becomes the king of dancehall. The mass have to give the credit. The mass have to crown you. Yo, when Beanie Man do the king of dancehall, the people them give him the crown, them crown him, and crown Lady Saw as the queen too. You see what I deal with? What I get for find out, say, from Yellow Man days come up, it was only Beanie Man alone who have him eyes on such title. And when him take it, you see what I deal with? The mass say, yeah, you deserve it. Remember Bounty Killer never opposed him, you know. Bounty Killer saying him at the Ground Godzilla, you know, the 5-star general, you know. When you try to remember that, you know. You see what I deal with? So, right about now, you know, I never seen a man, you know. I work for no kingship in a dancehall nor in a reggae music. Because it look like no man no want to surpass Bob Marley up to now. And look how long them man they done deal with the thing and you know what I mean? Till all them youth them come and deal with it wicked. So no man no want to pass them thing there. So I get to find out that Vybz Kartel are really the most influential artist with the in the world. Because here we go from Michael Jackson dead, me never see a next man who influential like blood clot Vybz Kartel. So here we go on now. So I'm going the people them crown Vybz Kartel the king of dancehall. And that's when a man wants to be the king of dancehall. And that's when everybody wants to gang up to be the king of dancehall. Remember Vybz Kartel never take on the title, you know. Vybz Kartel say world boss, you know. I'm going to prison as world boss, you know. And in a prison, you know, I said dancehall fear, you know. And the people them say Vybz Kartel, you are the king for dancehall. The peoples are spoken. You see me? I'm not talking about locally or internationally. The people are spoken. And put the crown on the man head in a prison. And from that I see everybody a gang up and a run for kingship right now. Two ways you can get the kingship. It's either you have to surpass a man work when put in a dancehall, or you have to go overthrow him. You see what I mean? You have to go kill him and take him title. The kingship not come them way there. And let me tell you something. Right now, you know, on a lollipop thing, you know. You know me deal with my thing, you know. Massacre. You see what I deal with? If you say that you're the king, you're the new king for dancehall because you want to hype up your party, me not go look on you with no bad eye for that. If I hype up your birthday party, why? You say you're the king of dancehall. You're the new king for dancehall. I not go say nothing about that. You see what I deal with? But I want you to know this. All no massacre. No pass the work with Papi. No alkaline put in a dancehall. Much less we go to Movado. Much more we go talk about Vybz Kartel. You see what I deal with? You have to run dancehall for more than a decade. Or more. You see what I deal with? Because here we go. Massacre, you know, never dominate the street of Jamaica like how Vybz Kartel do it. Him never dominate Jamaica like how Vybz Kartel do it. Furthermore, him not dominate nowhere in the world like how Vybz Kartel do it. You hear me I say to you? No? I don't know a lollipop thing. But watch how me I get really serious with you now, because you don't talk up in the mouth, you know. Watch this now, man. Remember, you know, when, you know, the Clash for go on and sting, you know, and the man them take interview on stage, you know, Winford, you know, ask Alkaline, you know, about Massacre, Tommy Lee, and Gage, and the man stop Winford in him nigga him argument and say, yo, them think they little bit, you know. So make me ask you know something. So, Massacre, him rise up big now, and the man them a push up Alkaline pan Kartel, see? And I say, well then, him are the next come opponent. You know what I mean? Or him are the man opponent. And all now, you know, me not see Massacre come out and try to deal with Alkaline no farmer way. When them a young artist, the man disrespect him in the worst way on stage. Now him grow up bigger and bad and him not feel like same for rush Alkaline. Yo, move Alkaline from that position there where him there and try to be a contender. Don't run and think you can just overtake everybody. That not gonna work. You know what I mean? When you overtake people, the mass have to put you in up front. You see what I deal with? I don't know a lollipop thing. So if the mass of people say Alkaline are the next worthy opponent, or Alkaline are the man with a challenge Vybz Kartel, you're going to have to move him from that position there and be a contender. Because me hear him disrespect you one of the worst way pan Winford thing. Him say on the thing a little bit. Now your thing get enough and tough and rough. Remove Alkaline from where him there before you even start talk like you want utter about Vybz Kartel. And that are the rightful thing where you're supposed to do. And don't go like say you forgot that. You see what I deal with? And don't act like say well then true Alkaline is not the hypest artist in a dancehall. No, you're gonna feel like say well then yo, you're not for challenging him. Catalog bigger than your one. And then a lollipop thing. A real thing me I talk about. You see what I deal with? And him name bigger than your one too. And then a joke thing, a real talk that. So here we go on. Me know, you know, you're wicked at hardcore DJ than evil Alkaline or evil Poppy. But them man they put in more work in a dancehall than you. So you can't run from them fact there. The point when I try to make that you there embarrass you. You know what I mean, on stage and say your thing a little bit. Now your thing get enough and tough. And them I say him a Vybz Kartel opponent. Remove him from this and be a contender if you want to hold some argument in a dancehall. If not, you know, keep yourself quiet because the street has spoken and say a Vybz Kartel are the king of dancehall. You know what I mean? I never Vybz Kartel pick up that pan in head. I don't know if a quarter that try boots up the youth and I go on a certain way why the man them feel like say them for come and chat up their mouth. You know what I mean? And a lollipop thing. A real thing now I couldn't know. When I know Gaza way I represent, no other way. When I know the 10-star general in a full effect. You know me I say no man? Tell Massacre say, the 10-star general say, if you want to be an opponent, me think the rightful thing we're supposed to do, move Alkaline from him position where him there and try to be an opponent or a contender then. We don't know the general, you know. We know me a concrete step, you know. We know a step hard. Dust a come in half it, you know, it cool as hell out here. You know what I mean? It cool as hell out here. You know, and a lollipop thing. So here we are going. A 10-star, you know. You know what I mean? Dust a come in, you know. As you see, you know. You see what I deal with the most electrified man. What? Gaza way, you know. There ain't no other way, you know. A 10-star, you know. The general, you know. The people's champion, you know. You see how cool it is outside Gaza nation? Me tell you something, you know, people we have people abroad, you know, England, America, Canada and them places. So they not take something off of the people them, or beg on please you know, talk to the people them appropriately and nicely, you know. Because you know, everybody I got brought them back in that weather yeah, and still brought bread give people, you know. Some people watch where them go through, you know, and think if you not go through that, them not supposed to look and you know give you nothing, you know. But anyway, at the 10-star one in a full effect Gaza nation. What? 10-star way, you know. There ain't no other way, you know. At the general, you know. A Gaza revolutionist with the mouth on YouTube, you know. The most electrifying man, you know, on YouTube entertainment business, you know. And let me tell you something. Don't ever rise up this argument again. You know, can't rise up argument without no work behind it. 10-star way. Watch.